harvest it. That'd be really cool.
Try to look, there should be a round bulb like a celery bottom.
So this is European fennel. It's a wild fennel. It grows pretty aggressively. You'll see it along waterways, freeways, trails, a lot of wild spaces. It seeds very easily. Because this is used for like culinary uses, we're gonna keep some of this base and try mixing out of it.
We're gonna make this spaghetti sauce. It's actually Thomas Keller's out of the Ad Hoc Cookbook, which is a restaurant up in Napa. We're gonna take this root and we're gonna dice that up and saute it, and then mix that in with some tomato sauce and some actually red wine vinegar.
Pokey weeds. You should wear the right gloves when you're handling.
Is that what you have, the right gloves?
No, actually you don't.
I'm not a big fan of the thistles.
Oh, the thistles? No, those are not my favorite.
This one is a nature one, right? We have to save that nature. So we motivated to come here and we like being in the nature.
We'll do anything to preserve nature for next generation.
So you don't have to go to work today, I guess.
I know, we have work after 1 o'clock.
We pulled 51 bags, and we estimate about 40 pounds per bag, so that's 2,040 pounds.
Rock the beat with your hand.
Pretty hot. Kind of bites you. Kind of bites you. Right where you put it, right where it touches you, and then it kind of just slowly creeps everywhere.
I've tried this one before, and I don't really want to go back.
This actually tastes better. It's a little, it's a little like, sweeter.